I was initially a little bit nervous to use a pressure cooker, but now this has become one of my favorite appliances and I use it multiple times a week. I chose the 7-in-1 mini version, which I found is perfect for cooking for one or for a small family. These clearly labeled buttons for different cooking modes and an easy-to-read digital display makes the operation super simple and user-friendly. There's even an app available with lots of recipes. When you open the lid, you'll notice a spacious cooking pot and included steam rack, which is perfect for everything from veggies to cooking full meals. Another selling point for me is that all of the parts that touch food are stainless steel, so I was able to replace other appliances and cookware. I'm pouring in about a cup of water, which is perfect for steaming all sorts of veggies, and today I'm going to be making potatoes. As seen on the inside, it is marked where the maximum fill line is. As intimidated as I was when I first started using a pressure cooker, this really can be a set and forget type of cooking method when you get used to it. Setting the pressure cooker is really as easy as just pushing some buttons, and there are plenty of recipes and guides online, and of course this can all be customized and personalized as you use it and you figure out exactly what your preferences are. Like here, you can choose to keep warm or not, and once you set it, it does turn on automatically. The different recipes also call for either opening or closing the steam vent, and this can be easily done on the top here. This is also where you would check if the steam is done escaping, and again, that depends on the recipe if that's something you want to do manually or not. For these potatoes, I chose to close the steam vent so that it keeps the pressure a little bit longer. So here it will automatically count down the cook time, and it lets you know when it's done. The valve here is up so you can see that it's slowly releasing the steam. Or I can flip this and do a fast release. I leave the potatoes on a slow release. The timer on the front will now count up and let you know how long it has been since the cooking was completed. And now all of the steam has been slowly released and the little metal part is down, and when I hit this, there's no more steam escaping. And here we have perfectly cooked steamed potatoes. I have the option of taking these out now or keeping the stay warm setting on until I'm ready to eat. The inner pot, steam rack, and lid are all dishwasher safe, so it makes cleanup so easy. Overall, this was a great choice and I definitely recommend it.